Hi there! In this video we'll talk about how to identify and register for events in Handshake. First, you'll go to wtamu.joinhandshake.com. You'll get logged in using your single sign-on credentials here. Once you're in your Handshake home screen, you'll go over to the Events tab. And from this screen, you'll be able to see a list of our available workshops that we have coming up in chronological order. But there might be a specific workshop that you're interested in looking for. In that case, you can come up to the search bar and type in the name of the workshop. Then you'll be able to see all of the How to Find an Internship workshops that we have coming up. You might look for the one that lands on a day that works best for you. Once you read some information about the workshop, you can either choose to register for this workshop, or you can save the workshop so you can refer back to it at a later date. Once you register for a workshop, you'll be able to go into your Events tab and see what workshops or events you're registered for. You can also go up to the Save tab to review your saved workshops. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call or come by our office and we'll be happy to help. Have a great day and go Buffs!